Good morning children, welcome to Gautam Model School Vanasthalipuram class 1 children, first class children. Okay, so yesterday in previous class we have learned in EVS, this is EVS, in EVS all about me, this page, right children? Everybody completed this page? Send me the pic children. All about me, that means this is yourself, like about you, completed? Very good. Now next page children, and this is also very easy children, very easy. Pause. Children, see, yesterday all about me we have learnt now children. Today my body, this is your textbook, right? So here the lesson, my body, my body. Children, you tell me first of all, are you able to see the video? Yes, then how you are able to see children? With your eyes. So eyes are so important in our body. Okay, and are you able to hear the video children, like what I am saying? Yes, that means you are hearing with your ears. How you are able to hear? With your ears. And are you writing children whatever I am telling after listening the class? Yes. How you are writing? With your hands. That means children, in our body we have many different parts. So with those parts children we are doing different things, right? One part we are using for different works, right children? So here see the textbook children, page number 117, page my body. Fill in the missing letters to get the names of some body parts. Here, if you are happy, a rhyme children, this is already we have learned. If you are happy and you know, what you need to do? You know it? Clap your hands. Yes. So what you need to write children here? H-A N already is given here. D S, hands. Nod your head. H E A already is given. D, head. Nod your head. Now stamp your, how you will stamp children? With what? With legs. L E already given. G S, legs, right? So clap your hands, nod your head, stamp your legs. Here my body has many parts. I do many things with them. Are you all following me children? Are you all putting finger where I am reading? Very good children. If you not put, once again I will start from here. Start children. My body has many parts. I do many things with them. So you have many parts, you will be doing different things with that different parts. Head, ear, thumb, fingers, hand, chest, stomach, eyes, nose, neck, Show your body parts, children. Elbow, arm, knee, leg, toes, foot, So children, you have seen this body, children. We have many different parts in our body. So what we are going to do with these parts, different parts, children? Already we have learned. Some more we will be learning, children. Turn the page. Follow me, children. Everyone put the finger. With my hands, I can touch, hold things, write and clap. That means, children, with your hands, what you can do? You can touch the things. You can hold the things. For example, now I am holding this pencil. How? With my hand. So, if you want to call anyone nearby you, you will touch them and you will ask, you will call them, right? And you will hold the things with your hands. And whenever you are appreciating someone, you will be clapping, right? How you will clap, children? With your hands. Okay. So children, you will clap. With my legs, I can stand, walk, jump and run. Yes, no children, you can run, stand and jump with your legs. If you don't have legs, you can't run, you can't jump, you can't stand even. Right now, children? So, here, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our 5 friends. They are called sense organs. What they are called, children? Sense organs. So children, these are so important in our body, children. Without eyes, can you see, children, anything? No, we can't see. Everywhere it is dark. So you can't see anything. Right? Now ears. So important are ears. Nose, children, like you can smell any type of things with your nose, children. If you don't have nose, you can't smell anything. You know, right, children? Before eating, sometimes you will smell the things like it is tasty or not. Is that food is smelling nice or not? Right? And perfumes and everything. How you will smell, children? With nose, and you will breathe with your nose, children. When you get cold, you can't breathe properly. Then you face so much of problem, right now, children? You face difficulty to breathe properly. Then you can't live if you close your nose also, right? So it is also so important. Tongue and food, whatever we are eating, children, how you will taste? With your tongue. So, and skin, children. See, if it is hot, you are touching the things and you are saying, my God, it is so hot. And really, when the things are very cool, you will be touching with your hands and you will be telling it is very cool. That means, children, your skin helps you to feel, children. That means if anybody beat you also, you will get some pain, right? How you will get pain? With your skin only. That means it senses. It senses, like your skin makes you sense Right? If anybody touch you also, immediately you will turn and see who touched me. How? You will sense with your skin. Are 5 friends. These 5 are so important to our body. Right now children? Children, now did you understand children how important parts are in our body children? So first 5 important body parts, what are they children? Those are 5 friends, those are called sense organs even, right? What are they children? Count everyone. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are so important children. You will smell with your nose, you will see with your eyes, you will hear with your ears and you will taste with your tongue and you will feel with your skin children. If anybody like this means beat means, oh, it is hurting. Teacher, this boy bit me. You will say in this way, right? That means you feel with your skin. These are the important body parts in our body children. So, these are the 5 friends and 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have children? 5. How many? 5. Okay. So, now children, I am going to give you some work in this. Now, once we will read all these children. Our eyes help us to see. Here children, eyes what we can see? We can do, this is the lemon we can see. We'll see and we'll recognize the things, right? What is this? If you close your eyes children, are you able to see anything? No. So, open your eyes and see, oh, it is a tree. So, you are seeing with your eyes. What is this? Sun. Here, violin, here bell and here birds. That means children, they are making different sounds, right? So, different sounds, how we will recognize children? With our ears. Our ears help us to hear. So, violin makes different music, bell rings, birds chirps. So, all these difference how we will make out? With our ears. So, children, next remaining parts children, I will be asking you tomorrow's class. In tomorrow's class, see children, some more important points I will be asking you tomorrow. Like I will be explaining in tomorrow's class. Today enough. Today whatever we have completed, everybody read children, and whatever new words you are able to see in this, you underline and you learn the spellings children. And whatever lines we read today in the class, you also try to read children. Remaining part tomorrow I will be explaining children. Okay. So, keep reading the textbook children. Okay. Bye bye and we'll see you in next session children. Have a nice